Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight on trip.com. So the very first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to download the application from Play Store or App Store. Okay, and then once you have installed the application, you will then just have to create your account. And once you have your trip.com account, now you can start your booking. Okay, so this section where you can find all of your bookings, your upcoming bookings, your recently viewed, your cards, your frequent info, and more. So you can also customize here your account information. Now, to start, let's go back to our homepage. So this is your homepage. This is your messages. So you'd be able to see here all of your messages. And then if you would like to create a post, like post moments, enter text, find buddies, or something like that, you can also do that right here. So trip.com has that feature. And for trips, you'd be able to see here all of your trips. Now let's go back here and let us start our bookings. So as you can see at the top, we have these options. So let's tap on the more option. Okay, so we have hotels, flights, flight plus hotel, trains, and more. So let's start with the hotels. Okay, now to book, you just have to select your destination or the city that you are visiting. So for example, let's tap on this option at the top. So we are trying to find a hotel inside Manila, Philippines. So I'm just going to select Manila. And then your dates. So you just have to type out right here, booking dates. So I'm just going to select 24 to 27 and then tap on confirm. Okay, and then after that, you just have to add here the number of rooms and guests. So we have the number of rooms. I'm just going to select 1. And then for the number of adults, so since I'm just booking for myself, so I'm just going to select 1 for this one. And then if you are traveling with children, then you can also add here the number of children that you are traveling with. And then tap on the done option. Now after that, you just have to tap on the search option, but you can also use the filters. Okay, so the purpose of the filters is that you can only find the specific inclusions of the hotel that you are looking for. So for example, if you would like to find hotels that has breakfast included, 4-star, pool, grade 9 plus, so something like that. And then for the price range as well, so if you only have limited budget and you don't want to look for pricey hotels, then you can also change the price range right here. So just have to change here the range within your budget. Then after that, you just have to tap on the show results option. Okay, now tap on the search option. And then you'll be able to see here now all of the hotels so that you can book. So for example, the first one. Okay, so you'd be able to see here all of the available messages. That's right. So when you scroll down right here, you'd be able to see all of the highlights of this hotel. Okay, and then the outstanding location, the popular amenities, and then once you're good with all of these details that you can find at the top, now you can just select your room. Okay, so let us try to find a good room right here. So for this one, we have 1 room times 3 nights. All right, so you just have to tap on the reserve option. And then after that, you just have to add here the guest information. So your first name, your last name, your active email address. So you just have to use it. And then after that, you just have to proceed to the payment option. Then you just have to provide your payment details. So you have you'll be able to confirm this booking. All right, so after that, just tap on the book option. Now let's proceed to the next one, which is booking your flight. So to do that, just simply tap on the flight option. Okay, and then just the same process. All you have to do here is you just have to select your the type of ticket that you are booking. So we have one way, round trip, and multi-city. So let's start with the one way. Okay, so here you just have to select the city that you are flying from. Okay, and then the city or the place that you are flying to. Okay, and then after that, let me just select here Manila, Philippines. All right. Then after that, your flight date. Okay, so you'll be able to see here the different prices. All right, so I'm just going to select this one and then tap on the done option. And then the type of flight. So we have premium economy, business and first class, business and the first. So I'm just going to select the economy. And then you just have to input for the number of passengers. After that, just tap on the confirm option. Okay, and then I just have to tap on the search. And you'll be able to see here now the available flight. So for example, this one. Okay, so here for the for this one, I'm just going to select the first results, and then after that, you just have to provide here again the information of the guest. All right, and then of course all of the things that you need here. All right, and then after that, the next thing that you are going to do is you just have to confirm the booking by providing your payment information, and then be able to get your ticket. So make sure that the email address that you are using is active. Okay, so that you'll be able to receive the flight confirmation. The next one is the flight plus hotel. So this is just the same with the previous two. It's just that it's the combination of the hotel and flights booking. So you don't have to book them one by one. Okay, so just the same, just have to select the city that you're flying from and then the city that you are flying to. Select your date and then it can filters the result. Okay, and then after that, you just have to select your booking and then again provide your payment information. And then if you would like to book for trains, so something like that, we have buses right here and passes. You can actually do that as well here on trip.com. Okay, so just make sure that every time you fill out the guest information, that is very important. You have to take note that spelling should be correct, so you don't have to be troubled when you arrive in the airport. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.